Well, hello, everybody. We are now in version C of integer addition and subtraction. Basically, we're adding and subtracting negative numbers, and we're going to be mixing them up, our positives and our negatives, and we're going to see how you do with this. I'm going to go by nice and quick since it's version C, but I will talk about it. Hey, also, don't forget, if you stumbled upon this, please do the whole like and subscribe thing. It helps me to keep these going for free for you guys. And don't forget, there's a lot more at maxtutorials.com. Okay, so anyways, let's get back to what we're doing here. Column 1, let's make it nice and big. It's an addition problem. Signs are different, so I subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Subtraction problem, add a line, change the sign. I explain more of this in the video, and I also explained this more in A and B. So we're on C. I'm going to go through and assume you had looked at those. If not, maybe go back and see if that helps you. All right, just going on now. Signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 3, signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 4 is a subtraction problem. So we have to go add a line, change the sign. Now I see signs are different, so I'm going to subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 5, signs are the same. So I'm just going to add them up, and I'm just going to keep the sign. For number 6, I notice that the signs are different. It is still an addition problem, so I just follow the rules, right? And so I'm going to subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 7, again, an addition problem. Signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. 18, what I notice here is that the signs are different. So I'm going to subtract them and keep the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. Number 9, signs are the same. So I'm going to add, and I'm going to just keep the sign. For number 10, I see that it's still an addition problem. So I'm going to do my addition rules. I'm going to subtract this one, and I'm going to keep the sign of the bigger number. All right, here we go. Column 2. Don't get locked in on a pattern. Make sure you're paying attention to what kind of a problem it is. For example, number 11 is a subtraction problem, so I have to add a line, change the sign. Now my signs are the same, so I'm going to add and keep the sign. Number 12, signs are the same. It's an addition problem. I'm just going to add them up and keep the sign. Number 13 is a subtraction problem. I know you can do 14 minus 6, but let's just do this anyway. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Okay? Number 14, it's an addition problem. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 15, signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 16, it's an addition problem. Signs are different, so you subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 17, signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. These are all addition problems so far, right? Okay, another addition problem, so I just do the rule. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Look, another addition one. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 20, addition problem, so I do the rules. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Yay. All right, let's go here on number 21. Signs are different, so I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 22, add a line, change a sign. Signs are different. I'm going to subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 23, look at this one. They are different, so I'm going to subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 24, I got to go add a line, change a sign. Signs are different, so I subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 25, addition problem. Signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 26, signs are the same. Add and keep, what did I draw there? There we go. 27, because they're both negative. Negative. Okay, signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Number 28, signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. And lastly, well, not lastly, what am I doing? Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. And lastly, signs are the same. So I'm going to add, and we're going to keep the sign. I'll go back over here. Use this as your answer key for version C. And I hope you guys got this. Let's go on and do some multiplication. Take care, y'all.